Hi there, this is Avalon from Crafts Direct, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make this family fall sign. This is the perfect project to display one of your favorite fall pictures. Let's get started. The first thing you are going to do is paint the outside of the large clothespin in red paint. Let the paint dry, and then you are going to paint the inside of the clip. Next, you are going to paint the small wood buttons. You will hold it at the bottom and first paint the tops of the buttons. You are going to need 16 of these buttons in total. So to start, you will paint all of the tops of them, set them aside to dry, and then you'll hold it by the top and paint the bottoms of them. Next, you will paint the wood letter family in red as well. Set aside the wood word to dry, and then you are going to sand the top of the clothespin, and then we are going to start gluing on the wood buttons that we had painted earlier. You want to put on 2 buttons wide and then work your way down all the way to the bottom of the clothespin and using glossy accents to adhere the wood buttons. Cut the black leaves paper to a 5x6 rectangle. Trim an inch off the bottom of your 4x6 photo so that it's now 4x5, and then you're going to adhere it to your 5x6 sheet of paper. Adhere your clothespin onto the plaque. You're going to want it to be at the top right. You are then also going to adhere the wood word family to the bottom left. Grab 5 to 6 strands of raffia and you will thread them through the hole on the hanger that is on the left. Take another strand of raffia and wrap it around the top. We're going to be creating a tassel. You will glue the end of that piece of raffia, cut off any excess, and then if you want, you can also glue the tassel itself to the board as well. Attach the photo to the clip, and now your sign is ready to be hung up and displayed. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can shop all the products needed to make this project at craftsdirect.com/projects.